Hi guys, hello all, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Our today's topic is should you wait or move on? Please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, we have two options in front of us. Option number one is this orange thread drill and white stone. Okay, I hope you can see orange thread drill and white stone. Option number two is this green thread drill and this ball. Okay, small ball. I hope you can. So option number one, option number two, choose your option. Okay, and we will start with this option. Let's see, I'll keep this aside. So those who have chose this option, should you wait or move on from your person? Let's see, we have received Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Swords, and all these cat tarot cards. Okay, so you had an ending or a breakup with this person. I can sense for some of you, and you are currently not in communication. Okay, not in touch, and you had some sort of ending breakup with this person with this Ten of Swords card. I can sense that, but there are chances that new cycle and new beginning will happen. Okay, one cycle has been completed, okay, with this ten of Swords, and lot of hurt and arguments has happened in this breakup, and someone has walked away from someone. Definitely one person has walked away from another person. With this Five of Pentacles card, what I can feel is that I feel like that this person has left you out in the cold, definitely. And you are might be a sensitive person or animal lover, cat lover. You might have a pet or cat. I can see sense for some of you. So this person has left you out in the cold. Definitely this person has walked away. You are in this Queen of Cups energy. You are very nurturing, loving, caring, intuitive person. Okay, water sign element can be there in your birth chart, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I can see other signs, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. Okay, so there are chances of new beginning with the same person. Why I am saying this? Because of Two of Cups. Because you both love equally each other. You both love each other equally. I can sense you or your person both have psychic qualities, psychic abilities, like with strong intuition, clairaudient, clairvoyant. They know, like he or she knows that how to read people, like so strong psychic abilities you guys will have. And I can sense this is the telepathy connection as well for some of you. So with this Two of Cups, you also love them, they also love you, but still they have left you out in the cold. Someone has walked away and ended this relationship. And even with immense love you guys have in your heart for each other, then also this situation has been ended with this Ten of Swords. So there are chances of new beginning. And with this Two of Cups, I can sense you both have feelings for each other mutually, equally. And why I'm saying new beginning will happen with this person? Because of this Wheel of Fortune card. Yes, so should you wait for your person? I would say you can wait for your person, but I would never say that hold your life and stop your life for them. I would say that you just do your work. Okay, go have fun, go out with your friends. Okay, do whatever you wish to do. If you don't want to wait for this person, do not wait. But I don't think you, otherwise then you will not watch this video. So definitely you are waiting for them already, and in your heart somewhere, in your soul somewhere, because you have psychic power, you have strong intuition, Your heart is saying, your soul is saying that you'll come back together again, and it is going to happen with this Wheel of Fortune card, and it will happen suddenly. Okay, um, you might not expecting it at that time, it will happen suddenly. Okay, with this Knight of Swords, this person wants to come and towards you, rush towards you, talk to you. With this Moon, they are hiding their feelings. You both have equal love, mutual love for each other, but they are hiding their feelings. Okay, and with this Knight of Swords, they want to come to you, talk to you, but someone was in this breakup has been hurt very badly, and someone has very much struggled, you know. This is you. Basically, you have struggled a lot in love situations specifically, and also in other areas of your life. That is also what I'm feeling. Okay, why they have left you, that reason I am not able to grab, but some sort of arguments might have happened. That is also what I'm feeling. Hurt, disappointment, arguments, those things were happening. Okay, with this Five of Swords, disagreement, hurt, so those sort of things. Anger issue. This person also, I can see your person can be a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or they have strong air element in their birth chart, because they love to win in the argument. They always fight with you, they love to win in the argument. I am always right. Those sort of vibes I am getting from this person. What I would suggest you to and advise you to, if this person has left you, don't ever call them. Okay, maintain your self-respect and self-worth, and focus on your self-love, focus on your career, focus on your closed one, family, loved one, friends, and just let them come to you, and this person will come. Okay, destiny will bring them. Because I feel for some of you this can be a psychic spiritual connection. You both are psychics, or you both are like very intuitive. That is also what I am feeling. So this you can wait for this person. Okay, should you wait or not? So you can wait. Yes, you can wait for this person, and there are chances of new beginning. Okay, so if this person has left you out in the cold, don't contact them, let them come to you. Okay, and you can wait for them. Okay, and I can see for some of you they can come in 10 weeks, within 10 weeks, around about 10 weeks. For some of you they can come in 1 month, and for others of you they can come in within 2 months. So 10 weeks, so 1 month, 10 weeks, and 2 months time period I am seeing. Okay, for some of you they can come within 5 weeks as well. So yeah, if they don't come in between this within 3 months, then you can move on. But what I see right now as per the cards, that you should wait. Okay, but don't just like wait for them, like sitting on the window checking your phone. Don't wait like that. Okay, just do your work. Okay, and move on with your life. In the sense, focus on your work, focus on yourself, and they will come back to you. That is also what I am feeling. Universe will bring them. Okay, so I hope you liked it, pile one. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Like, share, subscribe if you really liked it, and you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Thank you so much, guys. Please keep supporting, keep loving, keep motivating me. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have any topics, you can suggest me pick a card topics on different topic. Okay, those who have, now let's see, those who have chose this green and red thrill with this ball, option number 2. Should you wait or move on? The Magician, Ace of Pentacles, oh, 10 of Cups, oh my god, King of Cups, oh, 8 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, oh, twice we have received Ace of Pentacles. Oh my god, Ace of Pentacles we have received twice. So for some of you, first energy which I am getting is that there is an age gap. Either you are younger or your person is younger. So there is an age gap. Okay, someone is younger, one is elder. So yeah, Ace of Pentacles twice we have received. double confirmation, and also we have received 8 of cups. So over here also someone has walked away from some situation. They didn't wanted to, but they have walked away. This can be you, this can be your person as well. King of Wands energy. So this person basically loves his or her family. So I can see they have walked away because of some family issue or family pressure. For some of you, I can sense that King of Wands generally love their families, their family. But this person is also very much attracted towards you, attached to you, and want to take action, want to come back to you. Okay, that is also what I'm feeling. One, they that desire is to get married to you, definitely. 10 of, okay. But this person has some sort of family responsibility or family pressure, and they, or maybe age gap or age difference is there, or some sort of difference is there between you two, whether age gap or family is different, and if one is rich and one is not so rich, and like status, reputation difference, or caste, culture, religion difference, some sort of difference is there basically. And this person loves his family or her family, and they don't want to leave their family for love. That is also what I'm feeling. But they feel immense love for you as well. Like in pile 1 also, the same energy I was getting. One person has walked away. In this also one person has walked away. But this person didn't wanted to walk away, but they they have a lot of feelings for you. Can you just look at his face? Your person's face is like this, eagerly waiting, how to say this, they are very curious, eager. Also they have been in their emotions a lot. They are spying and stalking also for some of you, and they have a lot of love for you, but they will not show it. Okay. Over here I can see one person is manifesting, and which is them. They are manifesting you. That is also what I am seeing. With this King of Wands, I also grab the energy that this person is you should always take action rather than them. So this person wants to take action, but they want, they will do something that you will only come towards them. So he is in the magician, basically he is in the magician energy. So basically he is manifesting you directly or indirectly, and he will do something which will bring you to them. So suddenly they will do something, and you will have to call them, or you will have to go to meet them, something like that. So they are manifesting you in that way, directly as well as indirectly. Like they are also visualizing they are positive, and they know that they will do something, and you will come towards them with this King of Wands, and they want you to take action, and that is why they are manifesting that you take action. So I don't know, they are praying or what they are doing, but some sort of positive visualization they are doing, and they are keeping an eye on you. They are spying on you, stalking on you. I don't know whether through your social media, or whether they know where you live, where you work, or you have some sort of mutual friends, or they are spying and stalking from fake profile, something like that. Okay, but they are stalking, that is for sure. And if you feel I don't have social media, then they are stalking you somewhere, where you live, from far away, physically, in physical world they are stalking you. 10 of cups. With this 10 of cups and with this 4 of I feel like this person wants to definitely marry you, and they see you as a wife, husband material, and they want to live this happy family life. A couple is having dinner, going out, and they have a children, and they have a pet. So this sort of family life they want to live, and there are chances of this person can give you commitment with this Ace of Pentacles, but it will take 1 year time. That is also what I am feeling, 1 year time, because they have some sort of family responsibility as of now currently. And with this 8 of Pentacles, I can also feel you both are focusing on your career. this person wants to marry you, that is why this person also wants to build a house with you or buy a home for you, that is why they are working very hard and concentrating on their career, and you also concentrating on your career, and you also motivating them to concentrate on career, money. That is also what I am feeling. So should you wait for this person? 50% I would say you can wait, and 50% I would say you should not wait, as in the some sense like you are holding your life, because I feel like this person is like magician energy. So this person like can be a bit manipulative, and they give always priority to their family, so their parents or whoever. Okay, for some of you they have kids, I can sense. For some of you they are married and they give priority to their kids. So this person want you to take action. That is why I am saying 50%, for 50% you should not wait, and 50% you should move on, because bottom of the deck we have received the Emperor. So basically this person can be egoistic, good looking, charming personality, manipulative personality. The Emperor and Magician tell me that they are a very good influencer, manipulative personality, bit of ego. They want others to work for them, might be a business owner, entrepreneur. So they want you to take action. They don't want to take action. They'll do something that you can take action, but directly they don't want to take action. Otherwise they will, their ego will, ego will be like their ego will be disturbed. So like that is why I'm saying you should not wait for this person. 50%, let them come to you. Okay, do not go and talk to them. If they have left you, then you should not go to and talk to them. Have some self-respect and self-worth. So you should wait for them, but not in the sense of that you are waiting in the waiting position. No, I know you are not in the exactly waiting position, because you are focusing on your career, on your some project you are doing, you are working very hard. So yeah, so you can wait. This person will come, that is for sure, but they are doing things and taking action in the sense that you will come to them. They are manifesting and manipulating situation and people like that you will contact them, or you will have to contact them. So basically I would suggest you to just you can wait for them, but just don't contact them, let them come to you. Okay, because they are a bit egoistic, and they don't want to, they give priority to their family and ego. That is for sure, I can sense. And if you have ego, if you really love someone, then you should not have ego. That is what I am feeling. Okay, so just don't wait for for them, like you are just holding your life back, and you are not doing anything and concentrating on them. In that way you should not wait. Otherwise you can wait, and which I can see you are like concentrating on your work project. Most of you, I can sense that. So yeah, you should wait for this person. And but I can see most of you are just checking this, what are what is going on them with them, but most of you are focusing on yourself, and you guys not going to contact them. That is also what I'm feeling, most of you. Yeah, so thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe. Namaste, love and light to you. If you really liked, you can just join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, or else share this video, like with this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you want to suggest me any topics. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye guys. Namaste, love and light to you. Hope to see you in my next video guys.